Welcome to Day 3 of my 100-day Oracle DBA challenge. Today we're covering one of the most important areas of Oracle database architecture, Oracle memory architecture, focusing on the SGA and the PGA. If you're learning Oracle DBA or coming from another database platform, this topic is foundational, so make sure to watch till the end. And if this series is helping you so far, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next lesson. Oracle memory architecture consists of two major components: the System Global Area, also known as the SGA, and the Program Global Area, known as the PGA. Understanding how these two work is critical for performance tuning and efficient database management. Let's start with the SGA. The SGA is a shared memory region used by all server and background processes of an Oracle instance. It is allocated when the instance starts and released when the instance shuts down. The SGA plays a major role in caching data, reducing disk I/O, storing parsed SQL, holding redo information, and improving overall database performance. Now let's look at the main components of the SGA. First is the shared pool. The shared pool stores reusable information such as SQL statements, PL SQL code, execution plans, and data dictionary metadata. By reusing parsed SQL, the shared pool reduces hard parsing and speeds up SQL execution. Next is the database buffer cache. The buffer cache stores data blocks read from data files. When a required block is already in memory, Oracle avoids disk I/O, which significantly improves performance. Another critical component is the redo log buffer. The redo log buffer temporarily stores redo entries before the log writer process writes them to redo log files. This is essential for crash recovery and transaction durability. There's also the large pool, which is optional. The large pool is used for RMAN backups, parallel execution, and shared server operations. It helps prevent contention in the shared pool. Now let's move to the Program Global Area, or PGA. Unlike the SGA, the PGA is private memory allocated to each server or background process. It is not shared between sessions. The PGA is used for operations such as sorting, hash joins, bitmap merges, session variables, and storing cursor states for dedicated server connections. Key components of the PGA include the sort area, hash area, private SQL area, and session memory. Let's quickly compare the two. The SGA is shared by all users, caches data, SQL, and redo information, and is allocated when the instance starts. The PGA is private to each session, used for sorting and hashing operations, and allocated dynamically as needed. A simple way to remember this is: the SGA is shared resources for everyone, while the PGA is a personal workspace for each user process. For Oracle DBAs, understanding memory architecture helps with performance tuning, optimizing SQL operations, reducing disk I/O, resolving memory-related errors like ORA 04030, and managing workloads efficiently. If this explanation made things clearer, drop a comment below and let me know which part you found most helpful, SGA or PGA. And if you're following the 100-day Oracle DBA challenge, like this video and subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming advanced topics. That completes Day 3 of the Oracle DBA 100-day challenge. See you in Day 4.